everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenny here, and today I'm giving you 5 effective ways to get your Jade split. Are you ready? Okay. So I love Jade splits. These are my favorite types of splits ever. Like, if I can Jade split all the time, I would, but sometimes it doesn't feel as nice. But I know if you're a beginner, polar, or maybe intermediate, you're probably working on your Jade split and trying to figure out how can I get it flatter. Well, these tips are for you, okay? So let's get started. Before you start this exercise, warm up beforehand. Either follow my 12-minute warm up, I'll link over here on my page, or your own warm up just to get your body nice and warm and flowing so you can get ready to stretch, okay? You can start on the side of your mat. One leg goes forward, okay? You're gonna kick up. You're gonna make sure your core is nice and tight. We'll do this about 8 times. Make sure you're breathing. And then let's try the other side. All right, great. So notice in my leg lifts, I'm not bringing my chest forward. I'm keeping my back nice and straight. Maybe even tucking the hips under, squeezing the glutes, squeezing our belly button to our spine, and just gently lifting our leg up, okay? You don't have to kick your leg up as high as possible, but just high enough where you feel your range of motion goes. You're gonna bring your legs up to a pike. You're gonna make a diamond with your hands, kind of like the holders signs. Jay-Z, if you know what I'm talking about. It's gonna go underneath your tailbone. From here, you're going to take a deep breath, slowly bring your legs down. You don't want your legs to touch the floor, and then bring it back up. And then back down, and up. So we do this about 8 times. Making sure to breathe in, out, focusing on our breath, trying to keep our core nice and tight. Let's just do one more for good measure. I lost count. And release. Whew. And grab and switch to the other leg. So as you bring your leg up, you're gonna gently bring it closer to you. Also, it counts. Try to keep your leg nice and straight. Think about getting your knee towards your chest. And breathing. So if you have the flexibility, you can reach higher on your ankle. If not, you can reach lower on your shin or below the knee. Nice and gentle push. Whew. And put it back down. Towards your armpit or your shoulder and gently pull. So kind of like what we did with our legs straight, but from the knee, or with our leg bent. It kind of gives a different feel. A nice hip flexor warm up. And last one. Both legs come down. Whew. All right, so from here, you're gonna bring a leg up. This time it's gonna happen, you're gonna grab your ankle, shin, or behind the knee, and gently bend that leg in towards your armpit, as close to your armpit as you can go, and just straighten. So bend and straighten for 8. and gently bring it down. Let's switch to the other side. Making sure to breathe in and out, nice and deep. Bringing that knee in towards the chest. And last one. And slowly bringing that leg down. Whew. Maybe gently shake it out. So these are just some of my tips to help you work on your jade, your flexibility for your jade. Let me know if they help you. I would hope so. I love these tips personally. I just do them kind of like when I'm bored. So definitely try them out and let me know, okay? I'm only posting 5 tips, but on my Patreon account, I'll be posting a lot more because I really want you guys to get that flexibility up for your jade so it can be nice and flat. Okay, see you there.